Well, what are the major key takeaways for this learning series? So the idea is really simple. We have two major domains or two major areas. The first one is concepts and the second one is skills. So we will get detailed concepts about migration. We will get idea about the disaster recovery planning, designing and implementation. And in the second level, we will definitely learn those skills which require to migrate or design your disaster recovery for your on-premise data center. So when we talk about the tools and technologies related to on-premise data center migration towards Microsoft Azure, so we have two major options. The first one is Azure Migrate, while the second one is Azure Site Recovery. So during this series, we will explore these two options. When we done with the basic ideas, so we will get detailed information about the prerequisites or what are the prerequisites for the implementation of Azure Site Recovery. And then we will move and explore two major areas. The first one is on-premise infrastructure and the second one is Microsoft Azure. So we are going to design our on-premise data center to migrate all VMs on Microsoft Azure. So it means that we need to perform number of tasks on our on-premise infrastructure, and in the same manner we require some of tasks to perform on Microsoft Azure platform. So we will explore both infrastructure and see what kind of task we need to perform before migration. When we deploy all kinds of tools and migration strategies during this training series, so we will definitely replicate our on-premise infrastructure on Microsoft Azure and see how this replication works when we done with the all deployment task. When we done with the replication activities, so definitely our all VMs will be replicated on Microsoft Azure, and after that we will test the failover scenario in case if our on-premise data center is went down due to any reason. So in this case, how this test failover will work for us. So that is the whole idea for this training series, and at last we will definitely summarize what we learn during the concepts and what we learn about you can say on the skills side. So let's move with the this productive learning series on the platform of Microsoft Azure, which will completely cover how you can replicate your on-premise infrastructure towards Microsoft Azure. So let's move now.